In today's lecture, we are going to work on login API. I will open this user slice. Now this entire register function I am going to copy. Below this I will be pasting. I will change the function. I will write login. Action type I will be passing login. Now here inside the form we are having two values, but for registering this entire data we have set in the form and only one data we are passing. So here we will pass user data, but now we are having two values. So inside this parenthesis I'm just going to pass the payload. I am accepting email and password. So in this way we will be passing our payload, and this payload should be wrapped inside this curly braces. And for register, inside this header, we are passing multipart form data because we are having image as well. But now for this login, what we will do, in place of multipart form data, we will pass application JSON. So inside this content type, whatever response we are sending, that has to be in JSON format. So here in this way, we are going to pass the result. Then next, we are going to call the route. For register, we have given register. In backend, for login, we are passing login. Then in place of this, what we have to do? We have to pass email and password as the data. Then finally, using this config, we are going to set the headers. Okay, let me come to register data, and here I'm just going to display data, and below this, here I will be writing login data, and inside this I'm just going to display this data. And finally from this function I'm just going to return data, and rest entire thing remains same. Now scroll down, initial state also remains same. Scroll down. From here I will be adding all the cases. Let me just copy this entire case, and below this I'm just going to paste. Now this is for our login cases. In place of register, what we have to do? We have to pass login, copy, paste, and here also paste. For pending state, it will be same. Loading will be true, error will be null. And once the user successfully logs in, this will be same. Error will be null, user. In this way, we are going to access the user. This success will also be same, and this authentication will also be same. And for this rejected case also, entire thing will be same. So basically, we are not changing anything. Instead, whatever we have done for register, exact same thing we are going to perform for login cases.